Okay, so just a bit of a recap video. As you know, in the previous video, I was demonstrating painting the color coats outside using a spray can. And then from there, we had that orange peel effect we need to remove. Now, this comes after we've prepped the body, we've sanded the body to remove imperfections, applied a prime coat, done a light sand there, just to scuff up the paint mostly so the color coats would adhere, and then applied our color coats. Now, as we discussed, we were sanding out that orange peel effect, which represents varying heights in your finish. We need to achieve a nice flat matte finish before we apply our gloss clear coats. Otherwise, we won't be able to achieve that nice shiny gloss finish. Now, if I hold the guitar up in the light like so and just run it across, you should be able to see in the light there that orange peel effect is now largely gone. Now, you don't need to remove it in its entirety, but it is a good idea to remove as much of it as possible. It can be a delicate balance, however, sanding color coats and avoiding sand throughs. Sand throughs are essentially when you do expose the wood again, which for many cases means you need to go over the entire process again. It's very difficult just to spot spray areas. Fortunately enough, that hasn't happened on this guitar. So from here, I'm going to take the guitar outside and we're going to start filming our clear gloss coats.